Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with styling and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2018 Audi Q7 Premium in Glacier White. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 27,000 miles on the odometer, 8.3-inch color display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, dual pane panoramic sunroof, third row seating, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5892.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.